So I called Mr. Wood and said, well, you could name and answer that. So I immediately then called Justice to them and got the voicemail, explained why they didn't cancel, answered everything. The media chief was called me. So I tried to call that off, so I came over.
All right. The Honorable State Please be seated.
Mr. Mayor, good morning, sir.
Sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, we are here. Madam Clerk, would you please call the case? Good morning, Mr. Midnick.
Good morning, Judge.
Again, let me go ahead and apologize for the delay in the start. There have been a series of issues. Number one, we have a very heavy foreclosure docket. A number of individuals appeared today, and obviously, I'm sure we need to have them fully heard. Luckily, there was a cancellation, which made things, easier to get here at this time. The other thing that I will tell you is that part of the delay has been due to the bombardment from requests by the media to approve certain camera requirements, et cetera, that I was required to meet with individuals from court administration, which delayed the start. So again, my apologies. It's been not something that the court wished to do. We're here for your motions.
Actually, we're not.
Okay.
Here's what's happened. Early this
let me before I begin that, there were customarily, as I am on my way to work, I will contact my office for questions, instructions, emergency, things like that. I had heard that there may be a problem with getting to hear the motions today. But as you know, hearsay is really not reliable. And although someone else may, as I am fond of saying, get their exercise by jumping to conclusions, I would not do anything until we were here and on the record to be able to do what needed to be done. Okay. So now that you are going to provide me with the facts, what's going on?
Here are the facts. This morning, as I was getting ready to come over for the hearing, I got a phone call from Brad Conway. Actually, he called a few minutes earlier and told my secretary, in fairness. I mean, I presume he called right away.
Who is counsel for?
Who is counsel for the witnesses that Cindy and George Anthony, which are the primary purpose of today's hearing.
Okay.
And he said that he has thrown his back out and could not be here this morning. I asked, could you possibly do it by phone? He said he could not, and I said, okay, and I accept that on face value and said, okay, then in light of you tell me you can't be there, I'll cancel a hearing. He said, I would appreciate it. So
Okay. Go ahead.
I then called Lee Anthony's attorney, Mr. Luca, and told him, because that really was, compared to the others, it didn't make sense just doing that alone. I wanted to do them together. And said, since we're canceling the other two.
I will defer to you on that, but as far as I'm concerned, anything that's set, whether we can do some of it or all of it, if we can get a piece of something done, it's better than not doing anything. But I will defer to you.
And I appreciate that, and I consider that, but for strategic reasons and a lot of reasons, it made sense to put it off. And in fairness to him, I've already called it off with him.
Okay.
And then we immediately called over to your office to talk to your judicial assistant and pass on the information. We left a voice message. We didn't get through directly, but it is often the case because they're busy.
Oh, and
as busy as can be, I understand.
as much as I am sure everybody might otherwise think, there's a number of cases that we have. This is not the only case, although it has become a driver of things that have to happen.
I'm not faulting